Welcome, my name is Anders Larsson and I'm an experienced coach, YouTuber and online marketer. If you are looking for proven ways to make money online, you have come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to share 7 strategies that can help you earn money from the comfort of your own home. But that is not all. At the end of the video, I'm going to reveal a powerful solution that can take your online earnings to the next level, and it has exceptional video education for beginners that want to learn how to start an online business and learn digital marketing. And to make it even better, I'm going to provide you with a free video training that includes my top gold nuggets. This is something that I learned from my personal experience using the education and resources available on this platform. You can access the free video training in the link below this video in the description. But anyway, without further ado, let's begin this video. In today's world, making money online has become increasingly popular, and for good reason. The internet has opened up a vast array of opportunities to earn income from the comfort of your own home or anywhere with an internet connection. So whether you are a stay-at-home parent or just looking to make some extra cash on the side, here are some tips on how to make money online. Freelancing. Freelancing is a great way to make money online if you have a skill that can be done remotely. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr offer a platform to connect freelancers with clients from all over the world. You can offer your services as a writer, designer, developer, marketer, or any other skill that can be done remotely. So I want to add to that, in my own experience, that these platforms will no longer work if you think that you can set up an account and add your gigs or whatever you want to help people with and then expect people to find you. I highly recommend that you build your social media presence before you set up an account so that they can find you from your website or from your social media account. But I will help you get the right education at the end of this video in order to do that. But anyway, moving on. Online surveys. Another way to make money online is by taking online surveys. Many websites will pay you to complete surveys or participate in research studies. Some popular survey sites include Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Inbox Dollars. While the payout may not be huge, it's a simple and easy way to make some extra cash. Alright, affiliate marketing, and this is what I'm doing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting someone else's product and earning a commission on each sale that you make. You can find affiliate programs for almost any product or service by searching online. Amazon Associates is a popular affiliate program that allows you to earn a commission on products sold on Amazon. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can make money by tutoring students online. Websites like Chegg and Tutor.com connect students with tutors for various subjects. Selling products online. Selling products online is another way to make money. You can create your own online store using platforms like Shopify or Etsy, or sell products on marketplaces like Amazon or eBay. And again, these platforms, especially Etsy, it is extremely hard to get found unless you already have a website and you have a following. Blogging. If you have a passion for writing, you can start a blog and make money through advertising, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. It takes time to build a successful blog, but with dedication and hard work, it can be a lucrative source of income. Creating and selling online content. You can also make money by creating and selling online content, such as ebooks, courses, or digital products. You can make and sell your own online courses on platforms like Udemy and Teachable. Alright, The key to success, marketing knowledge, and this is huge. While there are many ways to make money online, the key is to find the niche that you are passionate about and to put in the time and effort to make it work. And why do you need to be passionate about your niche? The reason for that is that it is going to take a long time to build an audience. One of the biggest challenges that people face when trying to make money online is a lack of marketing knowledge. Without a good understanding of marketing strategies, it can be hard to get people interested in your products and services. This can lead to frustration and disappointment as you struggle to make sales and grow your business. And that is another reason why you need to be passionate. Because when you feel the friction, when you feel the grind, it doesn't matter because you love what you're doing. If you don't know much about marketing, you might have problems like low website traffic, little interaction on social media, and few sales. This can be discouraging and make you feel like giving up on your online business altogether. And believe me, I have felt that many times. Finding the right education. The solution is to find the right education to improve your marketing knowledge. There are many resources available online, from articles and blogs to courses and coaching programs. It's important to find a resource that is tailored to your specific needs and goals. My platform for entrepreneurs. This is where my platform for entrepreneurs comes in. It offers comprehensive training and coaching on marketing strategies that can help you take your online business to the next level. The platform has a team of experienced coaches who can provide guidance and support as you learn and grow. One of the best things about the platform is its affiliate program. This program is exceptionally rewarding and can provide an excellent source of passive income. As an affiliate, you can promote the platform to others and earn a commission on each sale that you make. Well, honestly, not each sale that you make, because this platform has a sales team that will sell for you. So the only thing you need to do is to refer someone to this platform. In conclusion, if you are struggling to make money online due to the lack of marketing knowledge, don't give up hope. Recognize that it is a common problem and get the help and education you need to solve it. My platform for entrepreneurs is a valuable resource that can help you improve your marketing skills and grow your online business. If you are interested in checking it out, I will leave a link in the description. This will bring you to a page containing a red button. If you don't want to sign up for my free video training, then click the red button, and on the next page you can get started with the system I'm using. Anyway, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Why not click the like button if you learned something useful? By doing that, you really help my YouTube channel grow faster. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any of mine. Stay awesome, take care, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.